Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might find yourself needing to move your Dogecoin from Bitmart to your Phantom wallet. It's a straightforward process, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you do it safely and efficiently. Why bother? Well, Phantom Wallet offers better security and integration with other apps, so transferring your assets can give you more control over your digital coins. First things first, make sure you have both a Bitmart account with some Dogecoin and a Phantom wallet set up on your device. If you haven't installed Phantom yet, head to the App Store, download it, and create a new wallet or import an existing one. Once that's done, open your Phantom wallet app and go to the main dashboard. Here, you'll find your Dogecoin address. Tap on it to copy it to your clipboard. Remember, this address is unique, so double-check it to avoid any mix-ups. Now, switch over to your Bitmart account. Log in securely and navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. Find your Dogecoin balance and look for the Withdraw button next to it. Click that, and you'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Paste the address you copied from Phantom into the recipient address field. Then, enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to transfer. Be sure to leave enough for any network fees. Before you hit confirm, review everything carefully. This includes the address, the amount, and any fees involved. Once you're confident, click confirm, and Bitmart will process the withdrawal. Depending on network congestion, this could take a few minutes to an hour. Head back to your Phantom wallet and refresh it to see your Dogecoin arrive. And there you have it. Your Dogecoin is now safely in your Phantom wallet. Always prioritize security by using hardware wallets for long-term storage and staying updated on crypto best practices. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading in 2025.